Power off. Unplug power cord. Place the machine on its side. Remove the cover. Unplug the wires. Unscrew one screw. Unscrew the 10 screws that secure the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Loosen the screws that fix the wires and take out the wires. Loosen the one screw that secures the power supply at the bottom. Unscrew the one top fixing screw and remove the old power supply. Snap the power supply groove into the bottom fixing screw position. Tighten to screws. Plug in the wires. Be careful not to insert them in the wrong position. Tighten the screws that fix the wires. Install the bottom case. Tighten 11 screws. Snap the wire harness into the wire slot and plug in the wires. Install the cover. Put the machine in the correct position.